Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to go over how to use your tablet with Photopea. So we'll do something simple together here, and this is mainly for our red cohort students if you're working from home. So first of all, let's go to File, New. Now I have my tablet plugged in. I have already, if you have it at home, you're going to have to find the drivers on Wacom.com to make sure that the tablet is working correctly. And the way you know it's working correctly is you'll see four glowing kind of crop marks on your tablet when it's plugged in. They'll be lit up. And those crop marks should represent the corners of your screen on your computer. So what I mean is, if I take my pen and I hover it near the top left crop mark, my cursor should, on my computer, be in the top left-hand corner. If I put my pen near the bottom right or on the bottom right crop mark, you should see your cursor move to the bottom right of the screen. It shouldn't move like a mouse where you feel like you need to push your cursor to get it over there. And if that's the case, that means that you have to download the drivers. Okay, and if you have trouble with that, please shoot me an email. Alright, so now that I'm good, I'm plugged in here. Please check out my previous video on getting to know your tablet, but I'm going to go to File, New, and we'll just create. This is perfect for now. Create. And basically, I want you to get me my pack of brushes. So in the classroom, you'll notice under Resources here, there is a section called Custom Brushes, and here is this S-Scales brushes. And when you click on this and download it, wait for it to download. It's about 50 megabytes or something. Here it comes. This is going to go into your downloads folder, and then I will open it up. I'm not going to click it from Chrome because a lot of times it doesn't know where it needs to open. So I'm going to now come back to Photopea. I know that I just downloaded that, so that's in my downloads folder. So let's go to File, Open, and I'm going to go to my downloads folder on your computer too, and I'm going to look for that S-Scales, and here it is. Okay, looks like I've downloaded it a few times. I'm going to open it, and it says Load Scales Brushes. Also, next time you use Manage it and Edit, blah blah blah, whatever. Just say OK. Alright, so it's loading and brush added. Excellent. So the next time I come to my brush tool, I can drop down the brushes right here, and I should see, and it doesn't let you drag this out unfortunately, but I should see all of my brushes that is with this new pack. So basically what I want us to do for this, for your challenge, is to dig around in this section of brushes here, these brand new brushes. There's a lot of them. And I want you to find some interesting brushes to paint with. So being sure that I'm painting with black here, so I'm going to, let me change my color to black. Oh, I didn't pick it. Let me try that again. Black, say OK. And I'm going to try some of these brushes out. Now some of them will move like this. So they have different settings, and our brush settings are here. And this one does have some dynamics, a few bit of different dynamics here with the brush in the settings. You could try some things if you like. See, I can scatter things and things like that. But you don't have to. You can just kind of paint a few different brushes. So I think I'm looking for you to try out at least 5 brushes here to try out. And I can use my brush, my bracket keys next to P to change the size of these brushes. And I just want you to fill up a canvas here of brushes. That's a nice one that you can get used to. Now, try your best. I know that, see, this is a square brush, but I wonder if it does anything special. It kind of looks a little different. Again, try some things out here. and fill up kind of a canvas of a whole bunch of brushes that you've tried out. That's all we're trying to look for right now. Uh, okay, so make sure then you would save this. So here, File, and I would go to Export as a JPEG. And my quality, I'm always going to bring that up to 100, and I'm going to say Save. This also is on my Downloads folder. I would come back to our classroom, and I would make a class assignment right here for you, where you can turn that in. And that's it. So let's just get used to using our tablet for a little bit, getting used to some of the brushes that are offered here. And that's it. So if you have a question, please email me, and good luck, and give this a try, please.